All right. Everything's good already?
Yes.
All right. So, did you eat already, Daekwang? Okay, did you eat already, Daekwang?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what did you eat for tonight?
Hmm. S.
You can say I eat.
I is
Okay, what did you eat?
banana.
Oh, banana.
Banana.
Okay, next.
Carrot. Carrot.
Carrots.
Meat.
Whoa, you always eat carrots. That's great. Okay,
Carrot.
wow, that's so delicious. Okay, what else? That's all? That's all?
Hmm. Is
All right. So now,
um.
Daekwang, are you ready to start with our class?
Yeah.
All right, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? And just give me a few seconds, okay, baby?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So how about that? Can you see our screen?
Okay.
Can you see our screen already? Yeah? Okay,
Yes.
so we got here exercise letter C. Listen and say, then listen and read. Okay, first we are going to listen this one, and after that we are going to say it. Okay, so teacher will be playing the audio already. Okay.
Okay.
Page 10. C. Listen and say. Then listen and read.
I want to make an omelet. An
I want to
omelet.
make an omelet. An omelet.
A smoothie.
I want to make
A
an
fruit salad.
omelette and
Uh-huh.
something.
A milkshake.
A food.
Smoothie.
A milk soup.
1,
What?
I want to make an omelet. I need some eggs and some milk.
Want to make
2,
I want to make a smoothie. I need some bananas and some yogurt.
some egg and
3,
milk.
Okay, we are going to read that
I want
one
to make a
later on.
fruit salad.
I want to
I need some oranges and some peaches.
4,
I want to make a milkshake. I need some milk and some ice cream.
Huh?
I want to where?
All right, so wait, your video is loading or logging. Okay, you're back. Okay, so now let's read this one. Okay, can you say, I want to make an omelette? Okay, can you say, I want to make an omelette?
Some
Okay, this one here, baby, first.
I want to make
Okay, excuse me. Okay, can you say, I want to make an
to
omelette?
make an omelette.
I want to make a smoothie. Okay, I want to make a
a
smoothie.
movie.
I want to make a fruit salad.
I want to make fruit salad.
Okay, last one, I want to make a milkshake. Okay, I want to make a milkshake. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello. Hello.
All right, you're back. Okay, so now can you please read number 1? Okay, can you please read
I
number 1?
want to make an omelette and eggs and
I
some milk.
Okay, so what do we need if we're going to make an omelette? Okay, what do we need if we are going to make...
I want to make an omelette.
Okay, so what do we need
I
if we
need
are going to make omelette?
some egg and some milk.
All right, so how about number 2? Can you please read number 2?
I want to make something.
Smoothie.
I need smoothie. I
Okay.
need some bananas and some yogurt.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. Number 3.
Three. I want to make fruit salad. I
Uh-huh.
need some and some peas.
Peaches, oranges, and peaches. Okay, how about number 4?
I want to make a milkshake. I need some milk and some ice cream.
All right. So now, Daekwang, if we need to make a fruit salad, what do we need? If we are going to make fruit salad, what do we need?
Some orange and some peach.
Peaches. Okay, if we are going to make an omelette, what do we need? Omelette.
We need some eggs and some milk.
All right. If we are going to make a milkshake, what do we need? Okay, if we are going to make a
I need
milkshake
some milk.
and
We need some milk and some ice cream.
okay, so if we need to make a smoothie, what do we need? A smoothie, what do we need?
I need some milk and some ice cream.
Smoothie. Smoothie number 2. Number 2 here.
Smoothie.
I need some
I need some banana and some yogurt.
alright, yogurt. Okay, so now in the 4 picture here, what do you like the most? Omelette, smoothie, fruit salad, or milkshake? In the 4 pictures, what do you like the most?
Like your
Okay, what do you like? Do you like omelette,
fruit.
smoothie, fruit salad, or milkshake?
Like fruit salad.
Oh, you like fruit salad. Okay, fruit salad is also good. All right, thank you so much, Daekwang, for sharing me that one. Okay, so now let's proceed with the exercise D. Okay, we have here read and circle. Okay, what you're going to do is you need to read and circle the correct answer. It's either yes or no. Okay, so now Omar needs some bananas. Is it yes or it's a no? Okay, do you know who's Omar? So Omar, the one who made the omelette. Okay, that is Omar. Here, omelette. Omar. And then we have Ella. Okay, Ella is the one who made the smoothie.
Movie.
All right. How about number 3? Lisa. Lisa is the one who made the fruit salad.
Make a fruit salad. I knew some orange and some peas.
All right. So we also have here Tom, the one who made the.
What?
Who is Tom? Okay. Who is Tom?
Make milk
The one who made
shake.
the milkshake.
We milk some milk
All right. So
and
now,
some ice cream.
okay. So what you're going to do here is you need to read it and correct or circle the correct answer. It's either yes or no, okay?
Okay.
All right, so now number 1. Can you read number 1?
Oma need some banana. Yes.
All right, yes. Can you circle yes? Okay, number 2. Can you read number 2?
Ella want to make omelette.
Uh-huh. Is it yes or
No.
no? Okay, circle the no. Okay, next one.
I need some peach. Yes.
Shucks. Okay, yes. How about number 4?
Some what to make milkshake.
All
Yes.
right, yes. All right, so what does Ella wants to make?
Ella.
Yes,
Ella
Ella.
want to make.
Okay, Ella wants to make a.
I'm done.
You forgot? Okay, let's try to check it here. Okay, so what is Ella making?
Ella making
Smoothie.
movie.
All right, how about. Okay, that's already great. Okay, thank you so much, Day Kwang, for answering exercise D. Okay, so now let's proceed with the exercise E. Okay, what can you make, read, and write? Okay, so now you read number 1 and then write the correct answer if what you can make with that ingredients, okay? The ingredients are yogurt, bananas, and milk. So what can you make with that ingredient? Is it an omelette, a milkshake,
It's
a
milkshake.
smoothie? All right, can you write it?
Okay.
Okay. All right, milkshake or smoothie?
Milkshake.
Okay, how about number 2? Can you read number 2? Hmm?
Number 2. Apple peach.
Apples, peaches,
Apple peach. Peaches.
and
Orange.
oranges. Okay, so what can we make with that?
It's some tea.
Makunchite butang. Okay, what you can make? Okay, smoothie. How about number 3? Can you please read number 3?
Milk ice cream.
Okay, how about number 3? Can you read it?
Milk ice cream chocolate.
Alright, so what can we make with that?
I don't know.
You forgot? Okay, let's proceed with number 4. What can you make with number 4?
Eat your
Eggs, milk,
salad.
cheese, and butter. Okay, what can you make with that? What's that?
Salad.
Oh, are you sure?
No.
Number 4 is an omelette. Omelette. Yes. All right. Okay, omelette. How about number 3 can also be a milkshake. So thank you so much, Day Kwang, for answering this one. So now let's continue with exercise F. Look at E. Talk with your classmates. Okay, so now can you read this one? Okay, can you read this one, baby? Oh, what's that? Di persadahan puno kayo. Stop kayo. Puno.
Oh my god.
Okay, what's that? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Why is it a long hair or something? Oh, you are pretending that you're talking with your classmates? Are you pretending that you're talking with your classmates?
Okay.
Okay, read number 1.
I want to make a salad. What do you
Okay,
need?
next.
I need some tomato, some pepper, and some cheese.
All right. Some cheese. Okay, do you know how to make salad, Doi Kwang?
What?
Do you know how to make salad?
No.
Oh, you don't know? How about
I'm don't eat cheese.
oh, you don't eat with cheese. You don't like to eat cheese?
Yes.
Oh, why? Can you tell me why?
I'm not.
You don't like to eat cheese? Why you don't like to eat cheese?
I'm not.
But do you like to eat tomatoes? Tomatoes.
Tomato.
Do you like
No.
to eat that one now as well? How about peppers?
Pepper. No.
Oh, no. Oh, you don't like to eat them all. Okay, so thank you so much about the Kwang. So now let's proceed on the next page. On the next page, we have Unit 2 around the town, Lesson 1 places to go. So now teacher will be playing another audio. So what you're going to do is you need to listen carefully, point and say afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Page 12. Unit
Later,
2.
baby.
Around Town. Lesson 1. Places to go. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Park.
Park.
2,
Movie theater.
Movie theater.
3,
Movie theater.
Supermarket.
Supermarket.
4,
Supermarket.
Post office.
Post office.
5,
Oh,
Department store.
department store.
6,
Library.
Library.
page 12.
All right, so now
Library.
when was the last time you went to the park? Okay, when was the last time you went to the park? Okay, can you tell me when is the last time you went to the park? Do you usually go to the park, Bikwang?
No.
Oh no. How about in a supermarket? When was the last
Yes.
time? Oh, right. So when was the last time you went to the supermarket?
Every year 4.
Oh, how about library? Does your school have a library?
No.
Oh no. All right. So for tonight, Daquan, let's just continue this one, okay? So I hope you learn, you have fun, and you learn and you have fun during our discussion. So see you again next time, Daquan. Goodbye and good night. Bye bye. Frog. Cook. Okay.